Western Buchanan County, northwestern Johnson County, Benton County, western Lynn County, northern Iowa County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of LaPorte City to Elberon to near Grinnell, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Vinton, Marengo, Marion, Hiawatha, Robbins, Belle Plaine, Center Point, Fairfax, Atkins, Walford, Urbana, Dysart, Halo, Shellsburg, Victor, Swisher, Newhall, Oxford, and Walker. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 205 and 212. Interstate 380 between mile markers 10 and 48. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa.